Dear friends, on social media, thousands of videos have been uploaded in a single day. Some videos become viral. One of those videos was Coffin Dance, which became the most viral video of year 2020. In this video, you have seen that some people are dancing while lifting the dead body, in the coffin. But you will be surprised when I'll tell you the story behind it. This story belongs to Ghana. Ghana is a country of continent Africa. In 2015, a lady was traveling from America to Africa. She was going to Africa to attend the funeral of her mother-in-law. In the whole world, this is a normal to mourn over the loss of life, but here the whole situation was different. They kept her mother-in-law in the coffin. Then six gentlemen came along with their music band. After reaching at the funeral, these gentlemen lift the coffin and their musicians starts playing music. They were dancing, uplifting the coffin. They were very professional with their dance moves. You can clearly see it in the video. But the question is, why were they doing so? Actually, it is a very famous tradition in Ghana. The people of Ghana believe that when a person dies, he is going to another life and they want to give farewell to their beloved fellows or their family members. It is a very vast business of Ghana, and these six people you are watching on your screen are the owners of this business. And they are called pallbearers. Head of the group is named Benjamin Aidu. He started this business in 2010. In starting, he had only 4 to 6 people, but now he is running this funeral party business very successfully, and approximately more than 100 people are his workers. They even have a special dance academy where all his workers do this dance practice, as it is very difficult to dance and move while holding up a coffin with dead body in it. What if I tell you that the price of this one dance performance is 400 bucks? When this American lady saw this, she recorded this coffin dance and later uploaded it on her YouTube channel. Then this company got very famous. After that, even BBC did a documentary on them in 2017. If you are thinking that it's happening only in Ghana, then you are wrong. Some weird traditions are followed by Chinese also. In China, if you lost someone dear to you but you don't have time to attend their funeral, then local people call some professionals to mourn. These people are very professional with their work. They sing sad songs in the memory of the dead and create such an environment that you will automatically feel sad. It's a thing in China that in a funeral, if certain number of people don't attend, then the family members of the dead will hire these professionals just for show off that how many people attended the funeral. No wonder we are living in a strange world following strange traditions. This was the first part of our video. In our second part of the video, I'll tell you about the most spooky videos of internet. We understand that it's very difficult to stay at home. That's why in these difficult times we are bringing more interesting videos for you guys. We hope you will enjoy the next part of the video. Internet is full with mysterious and horrifying videos. I will also show some real spooky videos which went viral. This first video is from some factory. In this factory, there was one lady who used to work in a boiler room. For some days, she was afraid of this boiler room because she saw many things moving which were not supposed to move. She denied to work over there. Then her supervisor decided to see what is happening in there. She was so much afraid that she didn't want to go back there, even with the supervisor. But her supervisor convinced her to go with him, and then this happened. The moment that lady went in, this chair moves itself. They both got really scared. Then the supervisor called the security for help. I don't know where did it happen, but this video is very creepy. What's your thoughts about this video? Dear friends, America is famous for its soccer game. In 2014 in Los Angeles, there was a match between Selmer versus Spartans. During the match, something creepy caught on the camera, which also went famous on the media over there. It was a strange shadow. You can see it very clearly with your own eyes. It went running from one side to another side, then got disappear in the air. Many from the match claim that they saw this shadow. They named it Selmer Ghost. What was it? It is still a mystery. Did you see it? Comment below and tell us. This video is from Thailand and it is 23 years old video. This video is of a young girl. One can clearly see that the girl is possessed. People are trying to pull out the demons from her body. The lady beside her took eggs and revolves it around this girl's head. When they break those eggs, one egg was just normal but the other one was black. Many believe this was a trick or some kind of drama, but you won't believe what happened next. The girl wakes up and ate that black egg. Right after eating that egg, her body starts levitating in the air. You can clearly see it, that it happens exactly like this. Some people still think it's fake or some kind of acting, but this video is very disturbing. Our next video is from Saudi Arabia. The title of this video was in Arabic, so I translated it. From translation, I got to know that the boy who was shooting this video, he was looking for a magician. I think he was looking for a black magic magician. Then he suddenly saw something. It was a strange black species whose eyes were sparkling in the dark. This creature was watching him from behind the wall. He ran towards this wall, but when he reached there, there was no one. You can hear a strange scream in the background of the video. In the end, that boy ran away from that place. He can't figure it out that whether that was an animal or really some weird creature, and where did it vanish. All these things made this video very suspicious. I would like to know your thoughts about this video. Was it fake or not? I'm sure you would have seen our next video somewhere. I think this video is from a Middle East country. This video went too much viral at that time. You can see in the video that it's an exercise machine which is moving itself, like someone is actually using it and doing proper exercise. It could be happen that someone might pulling an attached string, because whoever made this video, he or she didn't capture the whole road. But it could be possible that it was actually a paranormal activity. Anyway, this video went really viral. Our last video is about one IGR supermarket. Manager was just closing the market and suddenly a packet fall from the shelf. He just grabbed the packet and put it somewhere, but next day when he checked his CCTV footage, it found something strange. It was becoming more common to fall things by themselves from the shelves. And all this was being captured in the CCTV footage. Later he found that the previous manager also experienced these things. I hope he left that job before any mishap. I hope you enjoyed our interesting video. If you want more interesting videos like this, then subscribe us and don't forget to like and comment about this video. See you till next time.